Meaning of has.
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 Has. The word has is a verb that is used primarily to indicate possession, ownership, or the presence of a quality or condition. It is part of the present tense of the verb to have. The verb has is commonly used in sentences and phrases to denote an ongoing action, state, or process. For instance, she has a beautiful singing voice means that the person being referred to possesses a quality of having an attractive vocal ability. In summary, has is a versatile verb that can be used in various contexts to express possession, ownership, or a state of being.